This one or that one. We are without guides.
नहीं नहीं वहाँ पे लोग जा रहे हैं अभी.
Let's do this. So it's day 4 in Havelock, in day 4 in Andaman and day 2 in Havelock, and it's 10:30 a.m. We have just started our Elephant Beach trek. So here we are. The trek seems quite obvious. The path is well drawn. Okay, let's get a little bit confused here. This one or that one. We are without guides.
नहीं नहीं वहाँ पे लोग जा रहे हैं अभी.
Let's do this.
उसमें right.
What is it? Left. Choose one.
अरे कहीं और ना निकल जाए तो. यहाँ पे एक आंटी को पूछ लेते हैं.
अरे इतना कंफ्यूजन नहीं है.
कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है.
वो घर है किसी का. So confusion has started within 100 meters of the trek. It's 1.8 kilometers. So अब यहाँ फिर confused होंगे. Let's get a little more confusing.
अरे बच्चे यहाँ पे रास्ते नहीं दिख रहे. I think वो होगा. यहाँ पे किसी का घर है ना?
हाँ पूछ ले.
पूछ लेते हैं. आ जाओ. हाँ? मिलते हैं वहाँ पे.
So on the track we have come across a home. Elephant Beach यहीं से? उधर से? और फिर वहाँ से सारा? ओके. ठीक है. चलो पूछ.
आगे भी घर है क्या?
चलो. हाँ? इधर से भी?
चलो अपन वहीं ले लेते.
वहीं से चलते. When there is beauty all around, getting little out of track is fun and interesting. You can do it intentionally or by mistake, but it is always rewarding. With curiosity in mind about the destination and the journey, we headed out for Elephant Beach through a forest. The only thing that was planned was to have lots of fun and shoot some cool jungle photos and videos. We packed all our camera gears and few beach essentials for the track. After a little bit of confusion, we were on the right track as this shop confirmed it. कितने का है ककड़ी? हाँ. खीरा? एक? So let me tell you all about it. We are in Andamans and this is Havelock Island, also known as Swaraj Deep Island. Elephant Beach is one of the many beaches on Havelock Island. It is on the west coast of the island and is famous for water sports activities. There are two ways to get to the beach. You can either choose to travel by boat, which goes from Havelock Dock, or you can go to the forest, in which we are going right now, known as Elephant Beach Trek. You can hire a guide or do the trek on your own. The forests have well-defined paths that you can follow to reach to the beach. There are few splits, but they all merge eventually, so it doesn't matter which path you choose. and you will always find some people on the way, so you can figure out the path on your own. So on our way to the beach, we looked out for the locations where we can shoot stuff for making videos. This track has a lot of varieties of trees and plants, insects and birds. We were here in January and little effect of autumn could be seen. That actually made the scenes more interesting. It was a little cloudy when we started our trek, but it was about to turn magical on our way back, as we would see soon. Track has finished here, and this is Elephant Beach. Wow, it's so awesome.
And this is again we found mud volcano.
Oh yeah, people don't know yet that there are mud volcanoes. You should tell Tourist Information Center. So I think there's a little further to go to reach the beach. Oh. So this is Elephant Beach. पानी तो अच्छा ठंडा है. It was a little windy that day, so all the water sports activity were cancelled, and tourists, those who arrived by boats, have been asked to leave early. That is one of the advantages of coming via the trek, as you can leave on your own terms. With beach almost empty and sports activities cancelled, we spent some leisure time at the beach. The beach was clean and had some interesting elements which make a great photo. It has very vibrant colors, like all the beaches of Havelock, and was a totally visual retreat. So we are at Elephant Beach and taking some nice photos. Let's see how they are turned out. I'm not sure because I cannot see clearly in the screen. Oh yeah, the beach is very good. Water. The yellow board is very picturesque, and that beach should be good, but we are not allowed to go that side. So the beach closes at 1 p.m. The beach closes at 3 p.m. but it's 1 p.m. right now and we are going back. The wind was very good there. It was amazing and we had some pretty good shots here. Let's see how they'll turn out. Returning back from Elephant Beach at around 1 to 2 p.m. is actually a good idea because then you are in jungle at around 3 p.m. and at around 3 p.m. sun starts setting down, giving very nice visuals of sunlight peeking through the jungle trees. So we filmed at the location that we decided on our way to the beach. Walking through the green and yellow forest with jungle sound and backdrop was a total touching experience. Overall, the trek is safe and is not very long, and is good for people of all age group. It is worth a thing to do in Havelock, and in an attempt to make a small video of the trek, we have come up with this. Hope you like it.